What's up, y'all? So I'm sitting in my classroom, first day, and I just realized that y'all need to be able to take a look at the syllabus. And in past years, I've just given the syllabus out. They got signed, they got brought back in. Everybody's on the same page. So this year, we're going to do a little bit differently, just like with everything else. And all you're going to have to do is just locate the syllabus. And at that point, once you locate the syllabus in Schoology, download it, print it, and then once you print it, take a photo of the last page where you sign it. Let me give you guys a quick rundown on that, and then you'll be able to get credit for it this year. So let me start over in Schoology, and I'll just pick on my first period. And this is for every class period, it should be the same. So look under class information, syllabus, and then it should be under course materials. Again, syllabus, rules and policies, and you're looking for this top one called class syllabus, blah, 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 blah. Okay, so click on that one, and it's going to give you a rundown of the syllabus. So my advice is to download it, look through it again with your parents, have them read it over, and then once everybody's on the same page, both y'all will sign it. Just want to point out one or two things in the syllabus. I'm not going to go over this in depth by any means, but I just want to point out some things that have been added this year. So we do have I do have a work from home section now, just with some Zoom expectations. So make sure you take a look at those. Submitting classwork's pretty much the same as always been. So those of you who have not had me yet, we typically have a specific naming convention to turn things in. So you just want to look that over. But yeah, that should clarify some things in terms of working from home. And then also just some materials that are needed just to get started with the class. These are just some basic materials. Okay, so where you want to look for on the page is, if you keep going past this stuff, should be the last page. Let me double check. Yep, that is indeed the last page. So right here, you just want to sign it and then have your parents sign this side, and then that's it. So right here's a little click on download button. That guy right there will, once you click on it, you can download it, and then from there you can print it out. If you can't print it out, then just send me a message in Remind or Schoology, and we'll come up with a game plan. It could be something as simple as just having your parents send me an email from the email that we have on file here in the district to confirm, or we can come up with some other ideas. Other than that, that's all I got for this particular video. So make sure you do get this signed and turned in, and you'll also get some credit for this as well. Thanks. Have a good day.